What is a song that you consider to be perfect? Who will be amazing and build a Spotify list, please? Claire de Lune edit. Thank you for the silver and gold. September, earth, wind, and fire never failed to make me smile, and never failed to make my friends and I dance. Can't ask for more. Wish You Were Here, Pink Floyd. Simon and Garfunkel, The Boxer. God Only Knows, Beach Boys. Stand By Me by Ben E. King. That nice music they play in the background on Minecraft. C418 is the band edit. Thanks for my first Reddit silver. Mr. Blue Sky, Electric Light Orchestra. Edit. OMG, my first silver and platinum. Thank you, kind stranger. Hans Zimmer, Time. This as well as Cornfield Chase from the Interstellar soundtrack are absolute pieces of art. Sound of Silence, Simon and Garfunkel. Put on headphones. Listen to only one side at a time. You can really hear Garfunkel's contribution that way. It's like two different versions of the same song played on top of each other. Landslide. Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I built my life around you. Fucks me up every time. Into the Mystic by Van Morrison. I want it played at my funeral. What a wonderful world. Louis Armstrong edit. Thank you for the gold. Space Oddity David Bowie. The Weight, the band. ETA. I didn't think there'd be so many fans of the band on Reddit. Awesome. My username is actually in reference to one of their songs too. Sitting on the Dock of the Bay, Otis Redding. Nights by Frank Ocean. Edit. This a cult, not a clique on the net. Much love for the silver, gold, plat fellas. Don't Stop Me Now, Queen. Rhiannon by Fleetwood Mac. I am gonna be that guy and just say the entire Rumors album. Edit. I am in no way implying Rhiannon is from Rumors. An album written by and for people cheating on each other. The Chain. That Bass UMMPFF. Foo Fighters. Everlong. Exit Music. For a Film. Radiohead. It's not my favorite track ever, but I certainly consider this one to be perfect. Life on Mars, David Bowie hash. A Day in the Life by the Beatles. Here, there, and everywhere. Edit. Hoo silver. But seriously, that song is about as close to perfect as anything I've ever heard. Everybody Wants to Rule the World, Tears for Fears. The opening, approximately 30 seconds of Everybody Wants to Rule the World are where I want to live forever. Blackbird, Beatles. Nothing epic, just a beautifully simple, simply beautiful song. Thank you to this thread for setting me up to waste hours of my life. Massive Attack, Teardrop. Pure heroin rush, that song. Comfortably Numb, Pink Floyd. Wish You Were Here, Pink Floyd. Sultans of Swing, Dire Straits. All Along the Watchtower, Jimi Hendrix. Kashmir, Led Zeppelin. Baba O'Reilly, The Who. Sultans of Swing. So glad to see this here. Storytelling. Catchiness. Musical skill. All in one song. Fantastic. Rhapsody in Blue. Somebody to Love by Queen. Bohemian Rhapsody typically gets all the love as Queen's best song. I think Somebody to Love really takes the cake, though. Don't Stop Me Now is a close second, but Somebody to Love makes me feel some type of way. Ramble On by Led Zeppelin. Stairway to Heaven. The way it takes you on a journey is unbelievable. Blew my mind the first time I heard it. It's such a cliché song to choose, but damn it, there's a good reason for that. Jeff Buckley's cover of Hallelujah. Ain't No Sunshine, Bill Withers. Depeche Mode, Enjoy the Silence. 1979 by the Smashing Pumpkins. It is utter perfection. Ironically, their song, Perfect, though good, is not. Warren G. Regulate. Death Cab for Cutie, I Will Follow You Into the Dark. Gotta be transatlanticism for me. The whole album. Listened in order. Edit. Hijacking my own comment to recommend the Open Door EP. Yesterday by the Beatles. Paul originally wrote the tune before the lyrics, and had a placeholder, Scrambled Eggs. Oh my baby how I love your legs. Not as much as I love scrambled eggs for the first few verses. Always cracked me up. Someday, The Strokes. Also last night. Both these songs remind me of a very specific time in my life that I miss. Fast Car, by Tracy Chapman. Close runners-up, several by Los Lobos, but I can't bear to choose. Yes, yes, yes. People remember the chorus. But the rest of the song is blisteringly sad. It is about generational poverty. The girl in the song starts so hopeful. Asterisk, you got a fast car. And I got a plan to get us out of here. I've been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. We won't have to drive too far. Just across the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs. And finally see what it means to be living asterisk. Asterisk, asterisk, and it winds on a bit with her getting more and more disillusioned. But she's still hopeful. Asterisk, 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 you got a fast car. We go cruising, entertain ourselves. You still ain't got a job. And I work in the market as a checkout girl. I know things will get better. You'll find work and I'll get promoted. We'll move out of the shelter. Buy a bigger house and live in the suburbs. Asterisk. Asterisk, asterisk, but as the years roll on, she ends up here. Asterisk, 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 you got a fast car. And I got a job that pays all our bills. You stay out drinking late at the bar. See more of your friends than you do of your kids. I'd always hoped for better. Thought maybe together you and me'd find it. I got no plans, I ain't going nowhere. So take your fast car and keep on driving. Asterisk. Oh my god, heartbreaking. Where is my mind? Pixies. Kind of sad how long I had to scroll to get to a Pixies song. I would throw Hey in the mix as well. But that's just me. Kanye West's entire discography. WHYARUIOUBEINGDOWNVOTED. They hated Jesus because he told them the truth. Unchained Melody, The Righteous Brothers. Fade Into You, Mazzy Star. Wouldn't It Be Nice, Beach Boys. Go Your Own Way, Fleetwood Mac. Under Pressure, Queen and David Bowie. Hurt by Johnny Cash. Two Words, Mr. Brightside. JS Bach's Toccata and Fugue in D minor. BWV 565. E. Thanks for the gold. Glad to know y'all appreciate this fantastic piece of music as much as I. Sultans of Swing, Dire Straits, well, half of Dire Straits to be honest. Sweet Judy Blue Eyes. Jimi Hendrix, All Along the Watchtower. Sing About Me, I'm Dying of Thirst by Kendrick Lamar. Comfortably Numb, Pink Floyd. Toto, Africa. Rocket Man by Elton John. You Can't Always Get What You Want by the Rolling Stones. Highway to Hell by AC/DC. Master of Puppets by Metallica. You Can't Hurry Love, Where Did Our Love Go? Diana Ross version. Hotel California by the Eagles. Gangster's Paradise by Coolio. Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen. No Quarter by Led Zeppelin. Black Hole Sun by Soundgarden. Old Shoes by Tom Waits. 1,000 Miles by Vanessa Carlton. Power by Kanye West. I don't know. I could probably list like 100 more songs I would consider perfect. 1,000 Miles was an unexpected, but very good choice. Vine kind of put me off that song for a while, but it's growing on me again. Stevie Wonder, Superstition. Southern Cross by Crosby, Stills and Nash. Every note, every harmony, perfectly placed from start to finish. Blue Monday, New Order. Don't Fear the Reaper, Blue Oyster Cult. Johnny B. Good by Chuck Berry. Fake Plastic Trees, Radiohead. American Girl by Tom Petty. From the beginning to the end, it just makes me feel happy, despite the lyrics being cryptic in the middle. Tom was truly a great American musician. Sympathy for the Devil, Rolling Stones. Vincent, Don McLean, Runaway. Kanye West, Beat of Burden, Rolling Stones. Midnight City, M83. Every you're driving and it's nighttime and you're even remotely in the ballpark of sad and wistful. Playlist is required by law to have Midnight City in it. Layla, Derek and the Dominoes. Clash, Train in Vain. Heart, Alone. The Mamas and the Papas, California Dreamin'. Marvin Gaye, What's Going On? Peter Gabriel, In Your Eyes. Red Hot Chili Peppers, Under the Bridge. The Rolling Stones, Miss You. Roy Orbison, Oh, Pretty Woman. Pretenders, Brass in Pocket. Luther Vandross, Never Too Much. Take On Me. Jolene by Dolly Parton. Edit, thanks for the silver. A few that come to mind. Michael Jackson, PYT. Prince, I Wanna Be Your Lover. David Bowie, Golden Years. David Bowie, Heroes. Smashing Pumpkins, 1979. The Cure, Close to Me. Frankie Lyman, Why Do Fools Fall in Love. Al Green, Let's Stay Together. Spandau Ballet, True. George Michael, Careless Whisper. Durando, Didn't I? Cat Stevens, Father and Son. Baba O'Reilly by The Who. The Funeral by Band of Horses. Linger the Cranberries. Let It Happen by Tame Impala. Under the Bridge, RHCP. House of the Rising Sun, The Animals. The World Is Yours, Nas. Salisbury Hill by Peter Gabriel. Tribute by Tenacious D. But that's not the greatest song in the world. It's only a tribute. Albuquerque, Weird Al Yankovic. What? I gotta ask though, you got any bear claws? Wait a minute, I'll go check. He Stopped Loving Her Today, George Jones. You Can Call Me Al, Paul Simon. Mr. Brightside by The Killers. Sure, you can say it's overrated and they have better material, but you can't deny that everything from the iconic guitar riff to the relatable and easily understood lyrics don't paint a picture we can all see. It's no wonder it's still played all the time. It's a banger on all levels. The Cure, Just Like Heaven. Such a beautiful song from start to finish and in my opinion their best. Lose Yourself by A Mine Monsieur. Brand New, Jesus Christ. The boy who blocked his own shot fucks me up every single time. This thread just confirms that most of Reddit are young middle-aged white dudes. Edit. Y'all don't gotta be so mad. This is not a whiny or accusatory post, just an observation. I guess I'll contribute to the thread though. Lonnie Smith, It's Changed. Frank Ocean, Siegfried. Can we go ahead and just say that Blonde as a whole is a modern classic? Yes. Runaway Kanye West. And Hold My Liquor. And Roses. And All Falls Down. And Saint Pablo. It may be easier to list unperfect Kanye songs. Exit music for film, Radiohead. Float On by Modest Mouse. Frontier Psychiatrist. Edit. This is my first goal, thanks. Purely psychosomatic. Diamonds on the Soles of Her Shoes. Paul Simon. I Remember by Deadmau5. Perfect build. And a perfect range of highs and lows. Plus it's also a perfect song to cruise to late at night. American Pie, Don McLean. Alice in Chains. Rooster, Unplugged. In the End by Linkin Park. The Beatles, In My Life. Rocket Man. Elton. God Only Knows. No Rain by Blind Melon. 1979 Smashing Pumpkins. Michael Jackson, Man in the Mirror. Black Pearl Jam. Better Man, Pearl Jam. Country Roads. Take Me Home. Wouldn't It Be Nice? Beach Boys. I'm 34 and learned to love the album Pet Sounds at around 12 years old. Best bridge ever on that tune. The Mother We Share, Churches. I think Semi-Charmed Life by Third Eye Blind is the perfect pop song. YYZ, Rush. Also, La Via Strangiato. Bittersweet Symphony. Rasputin, Boni Monsieur. The opening beat is just perfect. Bad Romance by Lady Gaga. I was a huge fan growing up but waned off for a bit, but that is still a damn perfect pop song. Iris by the Goo Goo Dolls. Nights, Frank Ocean. Killing Me Softly by Fugees. Piano Man, Billy Joel. Brain Damage, Pink Floyd. Viva La Vida by Coldplay. Everlong. Birdhouse in Your Soul, They Might Be Giants. Oh Comely, Neutral Milk Hotel. You forgot every other song on that album. Counting Crows, A Long December. I always knew Mr. Jones growing up and never listened to any more of the Counting Crows. Friend had an extra ticket to a show and I went along. Every single song was amazing. Ended up going to another one of their shows. If you like Mr. Jones, definitely listen to more of their music. First song that pops into my head is Round Here. Bron You're All Over by Led Zeppelin. Bron You're Out Your Stomp. Norwegian Wood by the Beatles. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.